We have arrived at the rolling arena. Sporty Bunny, are we going to roll balls?
We are going to take up the Rolling Adventure Challenge. We are going to roll ourselves.
That sounds fun.
Let's get started. This challenge requires 1 challenger, 1 soft mat, and 3 small balls. Before the game starts, place the soft mat on the ground. Indicate the 2 ends of the soft mat as the starting point and the finish line, respectively. Place the 3 balls at the starting point. The challenge begins. The challenger has to lie down at the starting point and pick up a ball. Then roll to the finish line and put the ball down. Afterwards, the challenger has to roll back to the starting point and deliver the remaining balls to the finish line one by one to complete the challenge.
This challenge can improve our cardiopulmonary functions and muscle strength. It can also strengthen our whole body coordination and improve our flexibility.
The advanced version of this challenge would be increasing the number or size of the objects, or replacing rolling with other movements, such as frog jumps or somersaults. We may also set a time limit for the challenge.
We did it!
It's so much fun!
Remember to play safely, everyone!
Scan the QR code to take up other challenges as well.